The U.S. Navy continues to add nuclear-powered aircraft carriers to its fleet, in addition to the USS Gerald R. Ford CVN-78 and USS John F. Kennedy CVN-79. The United States is also known to have built the first aircraft carrier built using 3D technology on the aircraft carrier USS Enterprise Ford CVN-80. Unlike the two aircraft carriers above whose construction is late, this nuclear-powered aircraft carrier is still on schedule. If all goes well, the USS Enterprise CVN-80 class Ford will be the 9th U.S. Navy ship to bear its name and is expected to enter service in 2027. Targeted for completion by 2027, the aircraft carrier under construction at the Ingalls Industries Newport News shipyard in Huntington, Virginia, has achieved more than 15% progress. Aircraft carriers USS Enterprise CVN-80 class Ford and USS Doris Miller CVN-81 class Ford are expected to be aircraft carriers capable of repelling enemy fire. Unlike the aircraft carrier USS John F. Kennedy CVN-79 with a high price but still easily penetrated by enemy missiles. The USS Enterprise Ford CVN-80 aircraft carrier was built on a $24 billion budget, including a joint purchase package for the USS Doris Miller CVN-81 class Ford, and is expected to have a service life of up to 50 years. The USS Enterprise CVN-80 Ford can not only defend against enemy fire, but also can launch more surprise attacks than the Nimitz-class aircraft carrier. In addition, the USS Enterprise CVN-80 class Ford can also use laser weapons known to be being developed by the U.S. military. The aircraft carrier USS Enterprise CVN-80 class Ford can carry at least 75 fighters and more than 4,500 sailors and officers at a speed of 30 knots per hour. The aircraft carrier weighs 100,000 tons, armed with advanced Sea Sparrows and rolling fuselage missiles to intercept missiles. Various information gathered that USS Enterprise CVN-80 class Ford is very competitive compared to the two aircraft carriers currently under construction or are being reactivated, USS George Washington CVN-73 and USS John C. Stennis CVN-74.